airplane swimming.
Okay, show me. Come over here and show me.
You gotta describe everything. What's the details here? What's going on?
Tell me what's what here.
These are.
Get down and show.
Point it out.
This is the pool. This is the little hot tub. And this is just for a dry toy picnic.
Picnic, okay.
And then there's the there's a tea party over there.
Oh, a tea party. I see.
With a ladybug in there.
There's
Oh, I see. Okay.
See the ladybug?
There's the ladybug. Okay. The ladybug's having a tea party.
And this is a bike. This is the ocelot's bike. And this is the horse.
And what do they got on them?
They're just towel things.
yeah, they're towels. see?
They're wrapped up in towels.
Yeah, they're towels. They dry off.
Okay. All right.
Good job, Elsie.
What's Mr. Dinosaur doing over there? Is he sleeping?
No, that's its toy for Rocky.
Rocky? Okay.
There's Rocky.
Oh, that's Rocky.
The dinosaur's Rocky's toy.
You just set him over there for a moment. What are you gonna name your little?
Dinosaur.
No, your water world here. What do you call it?
It's called airplane swimming.
Airplane swimming.
Well, where's the airplane?
I don't have an airplane.
Oh.